everyone. I am so happy that you're here and that you're joining me for this video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Rebecca. Welcome. I am so happy that you're here. I share with you weekly planning content, so if that is something that you want to see more of, please consider subscribing. Okay, you guys, so this video has been 8 weeks in the making. I have been dying to get this planner in my hands, and it is finally here. So I am going to share with you today my experience purchasing from Spek. So Spek is a company based in the Netherlands, and they create custom planners. If you are looking for a specific type of planner, size, configuration of the pockets, Spek is definitely the company that you want to reach out to. And working with the owner, Petra, is a joy. She really helped me through this process and just made everything so smooth. Okay, so let me share with you what's inside this box. So I ordered a custom A5 planner, which on their website it's called the Manager. And I placed my order January 22nd. So it does take a little bit of time to get to you. I'm in the States, so it does take a little bit of time. When I placed this order, the wait time was 8 weeks, but now it is up to 10 weeks. They do have a Facebook group, so if you wanna be in the loop of everything that's going on, you might wanna join that group. And it's called Spek Fan Club, I believe. And that's where they share kind of like the updates in the company. So, but let me tell you guys, it is totally worth the wait. Okay, so let me stop talking and let me show you what's inside. So this is a custom A5 planner, and it is in the color Stardust. So when you open it, you receive your little welcome card. It says, "Hi, I am your new VDS," and then their website, vdsshop.com. And then I love the way that it comes packaged. So it comes in a plastic bag, which is great, especially if they're shipping it to you overseas. It just protects the planner even more. So this is, oh my goodness, you guys, this planner is a dream. So I already opened it up. So I am still very much excited, but I could not wait. As soon as the doorbell rang, I ran and I went to get it. And when I opened it, it truly left me speechless. So this planner is in the leather Stardust. And I did not do any additional customizations aside from the rings. So let me show you. It comes with, you can choose silver or gold, and 25 millimeter or 35. So I chose the gold 35, which the color was an upgrade. So with Spek, every upgrade or change that you do to the original layout will cost you a little bit more money. So I really didn't want to go over my budget, but I knew that I wanted gold rings, so that's the only thing that I changed. So it has also the gold popper to match the rings, so I love that. Okay, so here on the left side, it has 10 card slots, and they're the vertical ones. And then it has a big pocket here, a horizontal pocket, and 2 smaller pockets here. And then it has a big pocket here. And I did order mine with stiffener. So you have the option to add stiffener or not. And I did ask for stiffener just because since it was for an A5 planner, I didn't want it to be floppy. And as you can see, it definitely has structure. And then it has here another big pocket. And then the inside is black. Also their label here is black, and then the zipper. It has a zipper here with a little zip protector here. And then it has, let's see, the color inside is black as well. It is so beautiful, you guys. I am obsessed. It has 2 pen loops, so one here and then one here. So what I want to do right now is I actually want to put my planner inside. I cannot wait to start using this. It is just beautiful, and it smells and it feels so beautiful. So the leather, like I mentioned before, is called Stardust, and it is it's like a suede. And I have seen all over social media kind of like water tests on this and like stain tests on this leather. And even though it is a lighter color, it does hold to water and like stains. But obviously you want to be careful with your planners. Okay, so let's put in my inserts and let's see how it looks all filled up. Okay, so it's all filled up, and honestly, I don't think that I'm gonna need to put a lot more because I don't think that it looks super duper empty. I mean, I could put in, I think I am gonna go ahead and just put in 3 more months, but oh my goodness, you guys, it is so beautiful. I am obsessed. So this is how it looks, all filled up. And obviously, because it is an A5, for me at least, it is not a planner that I'm going to be carrying around just because it's big and it's heavy. For that, I love Pocket or A6, but you guys, this is amazing. I am obsessed. Let's see how the pens fit. So it does have 2 pen loops, and I always have an issue because my pens are chunkier, so I think I'm just gonna put my Uniball signal like that. So I just clip it to the pen loop, and then let's see if I can get the Tombow in here. It does have an elastic, so you can definitely, oh yeah, perfect. So the Tombow goes in perfectly. Yeah, I'm gonna do the Tombow there and then the other one here. And oh my goodness, you guys, I am in love. So perfect. Okay, you guys, so this is my new VDS Stardust. It is the A5 Manager, and it is a custom order. So if you wanna check VDS out, I'm gonna link them below, and you can see all the other beautiful leathers they have. Okay, you guys, I have one more unboxing coming for you, so stick around because I have one more planner to share. But for this video, this is it for me for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions about placing my order or anything, I'd be more than happy to help. Don't hesitate to reach out. Okay, you guys, well, again, thank you for hanging out with me. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Take care.